Hi, we're coming to you from Covington Elementary, where we're going to look at the central kitchen here that was created back in the 70s when they moved the junior high to the now middle school. It was called the junior high was here after the high school. The new high school was built. Then they had the junior high school here and some other places as well over that time. But in a nutshell, it moved from here to the new junior high. That's when the 6th through 9th grade went up there. And this was the shop area. This was the industrial arts area and industrial technology, it's called a lot these days. But here's the central kitchen where they put in that spot and allow them to start hot lunch for everybody at all the schools. And before that time, they didn't have hot lunch. Every student brought their own lunch to school, or they went home for lunch. Some of them did. Here's the back area where the shop, it's kind of the garage area. The theory was that they could back the food delivery trucks in here, unload, and they can go right into the storeroom there, or bring things right into the kitchen area. There's a little locker and break room area and restroom back there. This is where they get the carts ready to go out to the different schools. You can see they have the name and the logbook written right on the top of them, as well as other items are put in these carts right here. And then they're shipped off to the schools as they need to there. So you can see here's where different containers and stuff are used to ship things off. You can see where things are kept in coolers and cooked in big ovens. You see they kind of started decorating for Christmas before they left today, it looks like. And getting stuff ready for breakfast. There's a big dishwashing, or in this case, pan washing area too. And there's lots of ovens and fancy equipment I don't know much about. And then large sink area. And then back here is a freezer, and one of them is a freezer. I think the freezer's back there, and then this is the large walk-in refrigerator, and then there's a lot of storage here, and then you can see the different coolers they can use to take stuff out to the buildings, large can storage areas, that sort of thing. So once again, just a quick tour of the central kitchen at what is now called Covington Elementary. Originally it was the high school building, and way back when it was all the different buildings, because it is 100 years old. It's celebrating its 100th birthday. And just a quick tour of the central kitchen here. Have a great day.